It's been a good day today so far. We as in me, so that's an upside down W. We've ridden down from Swananara down the State Highway 1. It's taken about 3.5 hours to get to this point. We're just about to head over the Danseys Pass and going to hopefully get over there and see a bit of scenery. Head over to Ranfurly, meet up with another couple and heading off to Saint Bathans to camp over the night there on our way to the VCR on Saturday. So it should be a good time. So the Griso's gone well so far today, which is very positive. Danseys Pass was established back in the mid-1800s. It reaches an elevation of 935 metres at its peak, and was built back as a route for the sheep runs back then. And the road was named after William Hayward Danzy, and he leased the run for the sheep back in the 850 to 870 odd. So yeah, and the road's all gravel pretty much all the way through to Danseys Pass Hotel on the southern side of the pass, which we come up to very shortly. You hit that stuff, you wonder if you're going to stay on the road or not. Danseys Pass pub was built back in around 1860-ish and was on the Kiwian digging site where they were looking for gold. So it's a pretty cool place with a bit of history behind it. Well, we made it through to the Danseys Pass pub, and it was a good ride through there. It was a bit rough and ready, but always good to get to the destination. Got a apple cider waiting for me at the table, and I've ordered some fries, so a little bit of a snack before heading on to Ranfurly. Oh, look, here we go, we're in Ranfurly now, and look at these people we met up with. Saint Bathans, back in 1887 it was around. Saint Bathans had around 2,000 people living there as miners. The pub was built in the late 1800s as well, and it's made of mud and brick. It's a pretty awesome little place actually. There's quite a few really cool buildings here, and really give you a sort of insight in a roundabout way of the historical nature of the place. And there's a great camp just down the road, Dock Camping Ground. So here we are, we're at the Saint Bathans camping ground. It's domain, just down the road, 2 k's from the Saint Bathans Hotel, where we've had a couple of beers and had a look at the blue lake, and it's been pretty damn good. This camping ground here costs you nothing to stay at. Plenty of people are staying here. So here we are, we're at Saint Bathans, taking a walk around the lake. It's a short walk, about, they say 50 minutes, but I would say that you can probably get around this lake somewhat quicker than that. But it's spectacular, nice reflections in the lake, and so like a real kind of moonscape here. It's incredible. Taking a moment here to sit and taking in the view, taking in the silence. It's a great walk, this walk. If you don't like walking, then I would recommend sitting, but it's beautiful. So the day ends and then the sun sets. And it's too hot, so it's time to take a swim in the fresh brown water of this beautiful river. So this is the VCR Rally, and it's the 37th one that's been held. The rally was established back in 1985, which is a few years ago now, for a few key motorcyclists. And it's been around ever since, and rally goers, it's probably one of the bigger ones, or can be one of the bigger ones, and they have good entertainment, bands and stuff, very well run, and right next to a river, and of course you can take a swim. Really good time potentially can be had. Let it happen.
There's a voice in my head that drives my head. Hey, what are you up to?
Otago, fed by the Dobson and Hopkins rivers. Beautiful lake and surrounded by these beautiful ranges. So I finally got out to Lake Otago and past Lake Otago, and out here it's mighty peaceful, apart from maybe the sound of jet boats on the river over there, but it's pretty vast. Mount Cook in the background with Lake Pukaki, and who knew that there was an island in the middle of this lake called 5 Pound Note Island. Can't see it now, it's submerged.